Since I know some of you will probably be new to VoiceThread, I don't want to make anybody freak out or anything because we're trying something different. But this is basically it's going to be an audio or visual forum post. And so what you're going to do is when you get to this procrastination activity 1, this in our lesson 2 book, you'll click right here. It says click this link, procrastination article VoiceThread. So you're going to click on that. It's going to take you to this, so we're going to open it in a new window. Now what's going to happen is you're going to be taken to our class page's VoiceThread page. And so what you'll do is where it says procrastination here, you'll click on this and it's going to open up the article. The article has been uploaded just straight up into PDF form. But what you're going to do, you can navigate a little bit through here. So you've got some arrows down over here and you can go and look through the pages a little bit and see what you like. We've got you've got some information here. These links are not going to be active just because now it's been copied and pasted from a PDF. But you can go ahead and say, okay, you know what, I think I probably want to look at the consequences of procrastination. And you can look up ahead that way. Whatever you want to do, however you want to read this to make it more meaningful to you. But once you get to a place that you really find important, or something that you want to comment on, and keep in mind you're going to be required to comment on part 1, have 1 comment there, and then at least a comment in part 2 or 3. So what you'll do is you come down here where it's got this little plus button right here and you're going to click on it. You are required to either do a audio post or a video post. Either one is fine. So you'll click on whichever one you want and it's going to get it started off. And then right here you'll say, okay, so this part right here is something that I found interesting. You can also draw on it, which is pretty cool. So you can say this right here was really interesting to me, and you talk about why, you give the reasons why it's important to you, why it's valuable to you, and then you're done. And once you get complete with that, then you're going to hit stop recording and it's going to upload. And what will happen is that you'll be able to listen to it again and see if you like it or not, or if you need to record more, or if you just want to cancel out and redo it. Whatever you want to do is up to you. Once you click save, it's going to show up over here. And so eventually we'll have a bunch of different posts along the side over here for each page. Now, what your job will be to do after you've posted your 2 initial posts is to go back in and listen to what your classmates are saying. See what they're saying, see if you've got any kind of questions or anything that sounds really familiar. If you want to encourage your classmates to dig deeper, you want to ask questions, you want to provide meaningful content, meaningful information, meaningful comments that are also positive in nature, okay? Because we are in this together. And so I just really have enjoyed working in VoiceThread just because it gives you guys a little bit better sense of community, which I really like. So that is VoiceThread. So once you're done with posting your 2 initial posts and then posting at least 2 responses to classmates that are meaningful, you're done. And that's all you have to do. And then you can just X out of here and you're good to go. And then you go right on back to the class and continue on with the class page with the book that we're working through. Okay, so I hope that is clear and you are set to go. Good luck.